Yo guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. We're pulling up. We got Miles right here. The Raiders. What the f is that? New grips, new throttle. How you doing? So we out with Miles. Miles, say what's up to the vlog.
Man, we outside.
We are outside. Let's start him off with a clip, Miles. First wheelie of the day for the man. Oh. We're gonna go down and see Corey right now. He's got his little e-box as I record this for Miles. Oh, terrible recording back. Oh shit. But yeah, we're heading down to see One Way Corey. He got an e-box, so we're gonna upgrade that for him soon, probably next video. But we were supposed to do it today, but he doesn't have the kit. He left it at home or some shit. But we're still gonna go get a quick ride in with him. Oh yeah, you gotta waft the smell. And now that we've got pads back, we can slow it all the way down. Here, still cruising down to Corey's. So he's actually got an e-box 2.0 that he's gonna upgrade with a kit from Electro & Co. So I'm gonna help him do that, but right now, like I said, he doesn't have the kit, so we're still gonna get a quick ride in though. Just I guess on the stock e-box, which is like 60 volt, I believe. I have now been filming Miles for 5 minutes straight. He just refuses to put the wheel down, and my hand is getting awfully tired. Bro, my arm is tired. All right, we're gonna go for a hand drag here. Woo! Not far enough. All right, ready? Here we go. Woo! What is it, stock? 60 volt?
Yeah, the battery.
I have no idea where we're going, but we're just getting a rip in. Just the squad of minis is so fun, dude. 3 grown men on tiny little bikes. Woo! Yeah, these new pads got me feeling great, baby. Try and get a hand drag here. Woo! We were just out here cruising. Let's go up to an Enoch here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, no real plan here. We're just riding up towards City Hall, I guess. There we go. Corey's still all the way back there. Throttle one-handers all day. I think we're going down Market here. I'm not sure though. Woo.
That don't sound like it's knocking. Whoa!
Dude, is that your rotor?
It's a chain.
Dude, well, your wheel looks hella bent. Oh.
You gotta lean back a little bit.
I know. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, all right?
Lean back.
Yeah, but when I turn the bars, I feel so unsteady.
God, do shift blocking it, right?
Yeah. Ready? I'll get it on this one here. Come on. Tore through the gloves now. Oh, that was close. Guys, we're definitely getting better at riding, I'll say that. We're definitely getting better. It's because I've been pretty consistent recently. Smells good. You got the Sumos for it too, right?
Yeah.
Dude, they're pretty beefy for that little bike though.
Yeah, but I'm saying dirt tires in general, right?
Yeah, they suck. You're gonna go all the way back and forth on wheelies. Yo, try this. Right?
The bar just feel weird as shit.
It does. It's too close for a knee knock.
That joint is in the way. That shit smack though. You want a picture of my bike? You want a picture of my bike?
With me sitting on your
So you can try to steal my bike?
I can't.
You gotta throw it up. You gotta wheelie it down. You can't sit on the regular. Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
All right, and we're gonna keep riding, I guess. I don't know where we're headed. Woo! Up through Love Park. Hi, bro. Have fun at work. All right, me and Corey heading, I think, to a bike shop. Sheesh. You don't even lean the bike back that much. You just lay out. That thing is loud, man.
Like when you're moving, does it go down? Then when you stop, it go up or not?
What, this?
No, the battery.
Oh, the battery? Yeah, the volts go down. Like, it looks like it's less battery. So the actual reading is when you're off the throttle. Do you have the Suron back up yet, or no? Oh wait, the Suron's still a little man's, isn't it? Didn't you need to fix the wheel or some shit?
I need to true the rim.
Bro, you need to true the rim since New York.
I know. I ain't touched it since then. It's been that long, man.
I can't get down from knee knock though. That's the worst part. Where's that? Right here? Somewhere down here must be. Yo, Corey, this would be good for the channel, bro. They even got it pink too for you. Shit. Yeah, dude, they got little foot spots right in the back. Just pull it right up. All right, guys. So Corey just got his rear suspension all tightened up because he was like just straight bottoming out basically before. Does it feel better?
I definitely gotta get a peg extender though.
Yeah, dude, your knees are like up to your chest.
But then the peg goes on lower shit to the ground.
They'll be fine though, bro. It's not like you're carving corners. And Corey's just casually in a knee knock beside me. Yeah, that E-Box, it's definitely interesting ergonomics because the pegs are really high up. And the wheelbase just feels kind of short. I don't know, it's interesting. It's different, to say the least. But it looks cool. Looks like it's got a Sur-On battery, to be honest. But you're up, bro. There's a cop on us. Hey, I hate to break it to you, but I'm faster than you, bro. Yes, sir. Well, guys, I can already tell you this is going to be a longer video, but I hope you enjoyed this type of content, just straight riding out with Corey onto the sidewalk. Woo!
Well, guys, unfortunately my GoPro died as it usually does. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty fun getting out with Corey. We're going to be upgrading his E-Box pretty soon, probably like tomorrow or something, but you'll see that video in a couple days. But I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time though. Peace.